First, visit the drivetube.ai website and complete your digital profile. Once your profile is ready, click on Community Access and open the Recruiter Outreach AI feature. If you're using it for the first time, connect your Gmail account to enable email sending. Next, enter the recruiter's Gmail address. Choose the type of email you want to send, such as recruiter outreach, follow-up, or referral request, and select your preferred email design. Depending on the email type you've selected, provide the required details, including the company name, job title, and job description, if applicable. You can also preview your digital resume before generating the email. Once all the information is filled in, click Generate Email. Each time you click Generate Email, 1 credit will be consumed. DriveTube.ai will then create a personalized email tailored to your profile and the selected opportunity. Review the generated email, then click Send Gmail to send it directly to the recruiter. After the email has been sent, return to the Recruiter Outreach AI page and disconnect your Gmail account to complete the process.